The brief contact that I had with him while he was detained, he just really was confused about what was going on, about why he was being held and scared about what was going to happen next.
Andrea Sweeney is an attorney based out of Missoula. On April 24th, she received notice that Beker Rengifo Del Castillo was being wrongfully detained by federal agents in Whitefish after a traffic stop.
So he entered the U.S. legally through a program called CHNV Parole, which was a program that the Biden administration implemented to allow people from some certain designated countries to enter the U.S. or to provide them with a way to lawfully enter the U.S. for humanitarian reasons.
The Trump administration used executive orders to end the parole program, but a federal judge in Boston has issued a temporary hold preventing those orders from going into effect.
He should have been allowed to stay under the terms of his prior parole, so through July of 2026, unless he was given some other notice that his parole was going to be terminated, which I'm not aware he was given any other additional notice or that it has been terminated in any capacity.
Sweeney says her client was held at the Border Patrol Station in Whitefish before being transferred to an ICE detention center in Tacoma, Washington. She says Rengifo Del Castillo was released from ICE custody Wednesday evening.
He called a community activist and let him know that he had just been released, and we still don't have really any information about why he was held, and we don't have any information about what led for them to release him, but he has been released.
Sweeney says multiple attempts to contact ICE have gone unanswered.
Haven't had any contact with government officials or received any kind of official charging documents or any kind of explanation about under what kind of legal authority they had to take him.
She believes confusion at the federal level may have led to Rengifo Del Castillo's wrongful detainment.
They're getting directives and then they're not keeping up with the court orders that are halting these directives. And so it just puts people at a really vulnerable position where these officers have a lot of control and power, and then they're not up to date with what's currently happening to give these people protection in the U.S.
MTN News reached out to ICE for comment, but have not heard back by time of broadcast. In Whitefish, Sean Wells, MTN News.